Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can save attachments of Airtable into Dropbox automatically. So guys, Airtable is a database application famous for its field types. So Airtable has a attachment type of field type in which you can add multiple attachments in a single cell of a table. So guys, if you want to save those attachments in Dropbox for backup purpose, this automation is for you. Here you just have to connect Airtable with Dropbox in our automation workflow, and when you are going to add multiple files in the attachment cell, those files will be added in Dropbox automatically without any manual efforts, and it is going to save a lot of your time. So guys, we are going to set up this automation without any coding. So let's begin. So we are setting up this automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly, and I have pasted the same link in the description as well. So from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you can follow me through the video and set up your first automation. So guys, after signing up, just sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And from here guys, click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a name to your workflow. So I'm giving the name here as Airtable to Dropbox. And after giving this name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page guys, you will see these two modules, the trigger and the action. So our automations are based on these two things. So trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the action is the automated consequence or the response of the trigger. So here in our use case guys, adding of attachments in Airtable will act as a trigger of this workflow, and the action would be to upload the same files in Dropbox. Okay, so here in the trigger you have to search for Airtable. Okay, then you have to select the trigger event as a new record, right? And then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and here it will ask for the token or the API key of Airtable that you'll find the account section of Airtable. Let me show you that. This is my Airtable's base, and here I have this profile icon. Just click on it, and from here click on accounts, and here on this page when you scroll down you will find this API key. So you can copy this key and you have to paste this key here like this, and then click on save and you will be connected with Airtable. Okay, right, so we are connected, and here it is asking for the base's name. So the name of my base where I am attaching the files is this, documents and all. Okay, so I'm going to select this name from here, from this given list of all the bases. Here it is selected, and here you can see the table's name got auto populated here because we have only one table right now named as table 1. Okay, and here we have this trigger field. So this is an important thing. You can read in the instructions. You have to create a field in your table schema with field name created and the field type created time. So I have already told you that Airtable have many kind of field types. So created time is also a field type of Airtable which you have to add as the last column of the table. So what it will do, it will record the time of and the date of the creation of a new row here in this table. Okay, so as you are going to enter any new row, this created time field here, let me show you the type, created time field here will record the date and the time, and that will act as the trigger for our workflow. So this is why it is called trigger field. Okay, so you must have it to run your workflows. Okay, right, so you can read the instructions to create that field. Right after that, you can add the data here. You can add some test data here. As I have added some multiple attachments in these cells. You can see these are two PNG logos of any application I have added here. And here I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and it will fetch the details and the data and the links of the files that you have attached. Here you can see we got the data like this. It is showing multiple links or the URLs of the attachments. You can see this is the file link 1, this is another file link Let me show you. Okay. But guys, before capturing the data here like this, you must toggle this simple response button to off. Okay, because here it is showing the details of multiple files at once. Okay, but what we want to do, we want to upload the files in a Dropbox one by one. For that, what we have to do, we have to toggle this simple response button to off, then click on save and send test request one more time, and it will give you response in advanced format. And in this advanced response, here you will find this fields file link label. Okay, this is the same label, link label, sorry, the field name is here, file link. Okay, and it got captured here, and here in this label you will receive the data in this array of data format, in this array format, right? And we have received the data in this array because in this actions tab we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called iterator. So what iterator will do, just select iterator here. Iterator is going to segregate the data of this array in one by one form, starting from the first file, then second, then third, then fourth, and so on. Okay, and that's how it is going to run this workflow one by one for each attachment and upload the files one by one in Dropbox. Okay, so here you can see it is asking to choose your array. So when you click here, it will show you the previous step and the same array like this. So you just have to select it from here, then click on save and send test request button. And here you can see, guys, now it is showing the URL of the first file that we have like this. Okay, right? So the name of the file is this, you can see here, freshdesk vector logo.png. This is our this is the latest row we have added, and this is the name of the file. Okay, right? Now I want to save this file in my Airtable, in my Dropbox. For that, you just have to click here on this plus icon, and another action step will open up, and from here you have to connect with Dropbox. Search Dropbox, and then here you have to use the action event as upload file. Okay, then click on connect here. From here, select add new connection, and then click on connect with Dropbox. So it might bring you to the login window of Dropbox, but as I have already logged in, it just got connected. Okay, and here it is asking for the file's URL, the file's name, and the folder path. So guys, here in the file URL, we are going to map this URL label that we have received here from the first step, and we have separated it using iterator. So I'm going to use this URL label from the iterator step, and I'm going to map it here in this file URL field. So you just have to click here, and the previous steps will appear in the drop down, and from the second step, the iterator step, map this URL of the file like this. Okay, here it is asking for the file's name, so you will get the file's name also from the iterator step. Here is the file name, just map it. Okay, and in the folder path, you have to enter the name of your Dropbox folder. So let me show you that. So this is my Dropbox account, and here is the folder I'm using. Awesome is the name of my folder. And here when you open the folder, you will find this /awesome name. So this is the file path actually. So you just have to copy this like this with a slash and the name of the folder, and you just have to paste it here like this in the folder path. You can read the instructions as well, and this is how you can enter the folder path with a slash and the name of the folder. Then click on save and send test request button, and this file that you have attached will be uploaded in your folder. Okay, so right now we have these files. Let me show you the demo. I'm clicking on save and send test request button. So this is the response we have received, guys. Let me show you the folder now. Okay, and here you can see the freshdesk vector logo.png file got uploaded here just right now. Okay, and this was the same file that I have added here like this. Okay, right? So we are done making the connection, and the connection is working fine. Now you can test this connection also by uploading multiple files in any given cell in Airtable. Okay, and here you can see this trigger is going to run in every 10 minutes. Okay, so in every 10 minutes this trigger is going to work automatically and see your Airtable's base and capture the details of any multiple files that you're uploading, and it will upload the same files one by one in your Dropbox like this automatically. You don't have to do anything manually even in this workflow. It will run in the background. Okay, and you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.